In this procedure, we will be manually overriding a power down, power up jack on a power gear motorized hydraulic leveling system. The tools required for this procedure are an electric drill, a socket adapter bit, and a 7/16" socket.
So here at the top of the motor, we have the manual override nut, and it takes a 7/16" socket, and you'll use a cordless drill, not an impact, because that can damage your system. And you'll turn that clockwise because it's a unidirectional motor. And with our directional switch always set to retract, whenever you press one of these leg valves at the top and turn that motor with your drill, it will retract the jack. So you can do this as far as you need to retract them. You can do them individually, or you can retract the jacks all at the same time by pressing each of the buttons at the same time.